Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Toor from Amplify Eye Care here in Olympia, Washington. Today we're going to talk through blue light glasses and are they effective? Is it something that you should be wearing if you're using a lot of screens? So typically a lot of the blue light theory comes from screens emitting blue light that can be harmful to the eyes and just damage the health of the eyes. And this comes from blue light being in the visible spectrum, and historically it's been known to affect potentially your circadian rhythm, increase your fatigue, decrease getting good sleep, things like that. Now, the most recent study done with blue light filtering glasses, so those block the blue light from entering the eye, and screen use actually proved that they're not all that effective as they first were marketed to be as. So typically the amount of blue light exposure that you're going to get from your screen use, you can also get from sun rays and just spending a few minutes outside in the sun, because the sun also emits these blue lights. A lot of times the fatigue that someone starts noticing using a lot of screens can come from often not blinking enough. So usually when we're on our screens and concentrating on something, we actually blink about 60% less than average, or if in like a conversation or something. So a lot of times that's going to dry out the front surface of your eye. Those dry spots are going to just cause some discomfort, and then also can make your vision a little bit blurrier. So that's always something to keep in mind. And then also another kind of easy trick is just to decrease the brightness of your screen, and that can help just kind of keep the comfort of your eyes as you're doing some work on there. Now, screens are hard to get away with just because they're used in almost every part of our day now, including mine. So often if you can try to take breaks from your screens, look far away in the distance, do some good blinking, and to kind of moderate your use like that, that's always going to be really healthy for your eyes. The other things you can do are like decreasing that brightness, and you can also use artificial tears throughout your day if you know you're going to be on the screen a lot. That can help with some of that dryness and discomfort as well. Now, a lot of that blue light blocking glasses and the theory came from our circadian rhythm being messed up. So a lot of times blue light and a lot of exposure to blue light can affect your circadian rhythm and pretty much make you not get as good sleep towards the end of the day. But that's also why a lot of our screens and phones have that night mode. So if you actually turn that on, it'll decrease some of that blue light getting into your eyes and hopefully help you sleep easier. Now, even though this is technically a relevant theory, it's kind of been shown that even using your screens, using just your phone, is not typically enough blue light exposure to have a significant effect on your circadian rhythm. So kind of overall, blue light glasses are not necessary by any means. There's definitely other things you can do to help with your fatigue and any symptoms that you might be having on your screen. But if you're struggling with things, always come into the eye doctor. We can talk kind of through all your options and things that might work best for you. Thanks.